Today's recipe is fruitcake. Okay, we're going to take our chopped pecans and our chopped dates and add our candied cherries that are red and green and some candied citrus peels or citrus mix you can use. Now with fruitcake, you can use lots of different types of fruit, so you can feel free to experiment with what you like. Now we're going to sift some dry ingredients over top. So we're going to take our flour and our sugar, baking powder, and salt. And we're just going to sift that on top of our fruit mix. And then we're going to mix this together. We're also going to take 2 eggs and we're going to beat those up really good so they're nice and fluffy. I'm going to add a little bit of rum. You could also add vanilla if you didn't want to add any alcohol. We'll just beat that up till it gets nice and mixed together. Now we're going to stir our fruit mix. Make sure all those dry ingredients are incorporated in with the fruit. And then we'll add our egg mix. And I do all this with my hands because it's much easier this way. We'll mix that till it's all mixed together. Now this is a great recipe for the holidays. I remember my mom making this always at Christmas time. And this is great to sit after you bake it. It's better as it ages. Now we're going to put this in our loaf pan that I've lined with parchment paper. You can use wax paper as well. And we're just pressing it down as we put it in, just to make sure we have no pockets and no air so that you get holes in your fruitcake. Just gently press it down. Then we're going to be placing this in a 250-degree oven with the pan underneath with water. That helps it steam. And it's in the oven for around an hour and 45 minutes. Let it cool completely before you take it out of the pan. Enjoy! Happy holidays! Please see the full recipe in the description down below. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Here are 2 more of my videos you may be interested in. Thanks for watching.